When someone tells you that you need to invest in Bitcoin to make some additional money, you should be skeptical since you cannot only generate Bitcoin for free without any prior experience, but you can do so right now. Hey everyone, it is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as creative methods to make money online. Today, we will show you a new technique to quickly and easily make up to $5 in free Bitcoin every click. As you know, we strive to offer you reputable and free online money-making opportunities, and this is one of them. To earn money from this website, you don't need any prior knowledge or talents, and it doesn't matter where you reside on the planet, since as long as you have an internet connection and can connect with this website, you can make it function and create some cryptocurrencies in the long run. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and switch on our alerts to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. Without further ado, let us get started. btcclicks.com is the website that we will be discussing today. BTC Clicks is a free BTC pay-to-click or BTC PTC website where you may earn bitcoins. We disagree with the majority of online evaluations that claim BTC Clicks is not worth your time. BTC Clicks is a trustworthy company that consistently pays a Bitcoin paid to click. With my experience with fraudulent websites, I can assure you that BTC Clicks is 100% legitimate. Otherwise, we would have been banned long ago with 23,400 referrals and over 1.50 BTC paid. There isn't much information available about folks who run BTC Clicks. What we do know is that btcclicks.com was launched on April 5th of 2013 and is based in Panama. So, is it legitimate or just another con? Well, yes, it is legit. This is the quick response. BTC Clicks appears to be a legitimate company. BTC Clicks has been around for a few years, whereas most scams only endure a few months before rebranding and relaunching. The fraud is the same, but the website is different. So now let us discuss how BTC Clicks works now so that you know what it is. If you are unfamiliar with BTC websites, they function as a middleman or brokerage between marketers and consumers. Advertisers pay to have their ads displayed, and a portion of that money goes to the individual who is viewing the advertisement. The broker, in this case BTC Clicks, is a middleman who takes a cut. It may be highly profitable, which is why there are so many BTC websites available on the internet. When I say lucrative, I am not referring to the number of users. The issue with pay-to-click is that it takes a long time and pays very little. Most people watching this video are probably more interested in watching advertisements to make money than in paying to advertise. Before I tell you how much money you will make, you should know how the process works. After you have signed up, the most important thing you can do to earn money is to click on and see advertising for a set amount of time. You will be provided a list of advertisements with information on how long you must view each one and how much it pays. The second step is to select ads. But is this really necessary? BTC Clicks stands for Bitcoin clicks, but you are actually clicking 4 millibitcoins, which are a thousandth of a Bitcoin. Most ads, for example, pay between 0.00002 and 0.00004 of a millibitcoin, or what you know as MBTC. In today's dollars, the equivalent is 0.003 to 0.006. So you are looking at ads worth a few hundredths of a penny. It is great that they inform you how long it takes to view and how much it earns, but it is irrelevant. If you decide to use BTC Clicks to earn MBTCs, the amount you earn is so negligible. Simply work your way down the ads list. It is not necessary to pick and choose. The bigger problem will be running out of advertisements to watch. Yes, finding ads is simple. You will be directed to an advertisement hosted by BTC Clicks for tracking purposes, which you must simply see. It is not even required that you watch it. You will be paid if you stay on the page for a certain amount of time, which is usually around 10 to 30 seconds. It is something you could do while watching Netflix. A timer will count down, typically in the top left corner. Step 4 requires you to prove that you are a human. Scammers could use bots to simultaneously crawl hundreds of BTC websites and click on thousands, if not millions of ads. To avoid this, you must show that you are a real person by answering a basic math question or CAPTCHA. Finally, you should see the millibitcoins added to your BTC Clicks account after you have solved the CAPTCHA. But don't worry, you won't need a calculator for these. Until you withdraw money for millibitcoins from your BTC Clicks account, they are worthless. With a 1.5% charge, the minimum withdrawal is 0.1 MBTC. So what does that imply in practice? Bitcoin is currently trading at around $37,673, which is a fragile level. As a result, 1 millibitcoin or MBTC is currently worth around $37.63. The minimum payout is 1/10 of a millibitcoin, which is $1.50. You can perform the math as the value of Bitcoin fluctuates. If it rises to 20,000 in the next 4 seconds, MBTC will be worth around $2. So what if it reaches 50,000 before my coffee is finished? So you will have $5. So Bitcoin might potentially trip and fall, hitting its head and waking up at a painful $1,000. 0.1 MBTC would be worth 10 cents if that happened. So now let's look at the various methods you can earn with BTC Clicks now. The first option is by surfing ads. The surf ads feature is pretty cool and simply designed like traditional paid-to-click sites. You can surf ads that have been placed by advertisers. After watching the ads for a certain amount of time, you have to verify that you are not a bot using a Google CAPTCHA or an in-house CAPTCHA, which is a simple mathematical task. After you have completed all the steps, you will be credited with the bitcoins that you were told you would receive when you view this ad. Referrals are the second option. The direct referrals option allows you to promote a BTC Clicks using your own personal link. You will notice him on your direct referrals list after they register using your unique link. On the internet, you can also keep track of his activities. People you refer will always be your referrals, which means you will get 40% of their earnings as a non-premium and 80% as a premium member. Advertising is another way to make money with BTC Clicks. The advertise feature allows advertisers to post advertisements in exchange for money. BTC Clicks has never been fraudulent and has always paid because of the advertise feature. For starters, you can't use your collected credit to buy advertising on BTC Clicks, which protects the site's liquidity by allowing many payments from advertisers. The second point is that an advertiser currently pays 24 Satoshi for each view. From this Saturday, the 24th, the viewer receives 10 Sat. If he is premium, his sponsor gets 80% of it or 8 Satoshi. That is 18 Satoshi out of 24 Satoshi in cash flow into the site. As you can see, each user who sees the adverts receives 6 Satoshi for the admin. That, I believe, is all I have to say. Referrals can also be rented to generate money with BTC Clicks. The rent referrals feature is similar to that of standard BTC sites in that it allows you to rent people to click for you. However, these people are not real people but rather bots, as are all other paid-to-click sites. This feature is not recommended because it is designed in such a way that you cannot easily benefit from it. We looked at a number of different paid-to-click scripts and found that they all featured this feature. This feature was not what they said in any script we have read. These rent referrals are always bots, but if you handle them well and replace the old ones that are not clicking with new ones, you can make some substantial money. BTC Clicks rent referrals are really good and will bring you money if you use them correctly. Google and YouTube are good places to look for rent referral techniques. With BTC Clicks, you have a decent potential of making a lot of money simply by owning milli-bitcoins. Many things that are now considered normal were formerly thought to be insane. As a result, it is not out of the realm of possibilities that Bitcoin, now worth $37,673, will reach $1 million value. A single MBTC, which has already been earned and withdrawn, is worth $3,000. BTC Clicks could also be a better use of your time if you are someone who spends all day or night on social media. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.